Many times clients will come to us and they'll say, I already started a case with a law firm, but the lawyer's not calling me back. I don't know the status of my case. I'm really confused. Can I then go to another lawyer and have them continue my case or take my case over from the prior lawyer? And the answer is yes, absolutely, you can. Just like if you go to one doctor and for whatever reason you want to get a second opinion, you can go out and see a second doctor. The same way you could see another lawyer and you could have that lawyer send what's known as a substitution of attorney form to the first lawyer. The first lawyer will then have to send all your documents to the new lawyer that you've hired, and the new lawyer will pay the expenses of the first lawyer. Those are just out-of-pocket costs or disbursements that the first lawyer has incurred in prosecuting your case. Then when the case is over, you still receive 70% or roughly 70% of the legal fee. The legal fee doesn't change whether you have one lawyer or 100 lawyers. The legal fee to the law firm is still 1/3, with 2/3 or roughly 66.6% going to you as the client. Sometimes what happens is the lawyers disagree about how to share the 1/3, but that's known as a fee fight, and the lawyers get into that between themselves. You may be asked to sign an affidavit or testify at a hearing, but it doesn't concern your money. It only concerns the division of the 1/3 between the lawyers. So for example, if a case settles for $100,000 and you have two lawyers, you would get like $66,600 and $33,300 would be split, maybe with $15,000 going to one lawyer and 16 or 17 going to the other lawyer. So that's usually how it works. So yes, absolutely. If you feel that you're not happy with your law firm for whatever reason, you're free to shop around and speak to different lawyers and see who would be a better fit for you. And if you feel like somebody else will do a better job in terms of client contact, in terms of being able to reach the attorney by phone or in-person meetings, or some lawyers even go as far as sending text messages or email access, you can absolutely do that so that you're not left in the dark and you're not calling somebody just to say, yes, they'll call you back, but they never do, and then you don't know what's happening with your case, because that's a very painful and bad state to be in if you're an injured individual who's looking for justice. You really deserve somebody who's going to be a fighter, who's going to be cooperative and have excellent communication and be there in your corner to get you the maximum compensation that you deserve.